Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, John Steele. Today we are going to go over some basic work instructions on how to use your brand new test stand. First, you need 480 power to drive the controller. So make sure you plug it into 480 volt. Second, after you plug it in, you're going to have to power up the controller. You just simply go from off to on. It will not turn when you do that. To hook up the gearbox, it's pretty simple. We will be supplying you with this gearbox and 2 bolts along with it, along with all the couplings. You just use your 9/16 wrench to tighten up your 3/8 bolts. Kitty corner or juxtaposed to each other. We have a bolt here and a bolt here. We've always only just used 2 bolts in these 2 locations. Obviously on your couplings you just tighten and loosen these set screws with an 1/8" Allen wrench. Go over to the panel. The important part, once this is verified is on, you got juice to the unit. Always leave this motor 1 in the counterclockwise direction to ensure the gearbox is rotating in the application direction, which is pinion clockwise. So you really don't have to mess with this. You do not need to mess with the stop button. You just simply flip it on. The load's going to go up. It's going to go down to 0 load from the drive motor. To turn the load off, we just simply go like this. It'll spike up to somewhere around 35% of the DC volts. That's not the most accurate thing because it's just a piece of paper and analog, but the settings are set in here, so the load's going to be consistent every time. You can hear the gearbox running. This gearbox has been coming to you. It has an overall power over here. Shut the test stand off. You can either just flip it off, or if you want to, you can turn the load off first and then flip it off. If you have any trouble while it's running, obviously you just hit the stop button. Simple as that. Have a nice day.